Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring Europe's defense transformation, driving growth opportunities in training simulation and missile defense systems, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses.
Europe's defense landscape is undergoing one of its most profound transformations in decades. Between geopolitical instability, rapid technological progress, and the pursuit of strategic autonomy, NATO and EU nations are reshaping how they prepare, protect, and project power. This isn't just about defense modernization. It's about redefining resilience and sovereignty. And in this process, we're seeing massive growth opportunities in training, simulation, and missile defense systems across Europe.
Exactly. What we're witnessing is a complete mindset shift. Defense spending is rising sharply, especially in nations like Poland, Finland, and the Baltic states, which are leading the charge toward the 2% of GDP defense target. But beyond spending, there's a strategic realignment underway. Europe's goal is to achieve greater sovereignty, ensure interoperability across NATO forces, and strengthen collective security. This transformation is giving rise to new collaboration frameworks, joint procurement programs, digital interoperability initiatives, and multi-domain integration that connects land, air, sea, space, and cyber defense systems.
And that multi-domain approach is especially visible in training and simulation. For years, this segment was hampered by fragmented systems and long procurement cycles. But that's changing fast. Today, gaming engines like Unreal and Unity are powering hyper-realistic environments for flight simulations and wargaming. Meanwhile, training as a service, or TaaS, is enabling flexible, cloud-based delivery, cutting costs, shortening timelines, and making training portable. Add to that joint synthetic environments that simulate real-world combat across multiple domains, and you've got a defense training model that's faster, smarter, and far more adaptive.
That same spirit of innovation is transforming missile defense too. Programs like the European Sky Shield Initiative, or SSE, are fostering multinational cooperation, ensuring that air and missile defense systems work seamlessly across allied nations. But what's really exciting is the rise of green defense. The EU's sustainability mandates are now influencing procurement strategies, driving a shift toward eco-friendly propulsion systems and low-emission manufacturing. Companies that integrate sustainability into their defense designs early, particularly in missile propulsion, will gain a major competitive edge as Europe's green agenda becomes a long-term strategic priority.
If we zoom out, three big imperatives are reshaping Europe's defense future. First, geopolitical chaos, pushing nations to rearm and collaborate faster. Second, disruptive technologies like AI, VR, and digital twins, which are revolutionizing both training and missile guidance. And third, industry convergence, where IT, cybersecurity, and defense are merging to enable shared data and operational resilience. Leading innovators are already taking action. Saab is driving cloud-based task models, MBDA is strengthening integrated missile defense partnerships, and Varjo is bridging commercial VR and defense simulation. These companies aren't just adapting, they're defining Europe's next defense chapter. The message is clear. Europe's defense transformation is creating a new ecosystem where technology, strategy, and sustainability intersect. Organizations that align with NATO and EU priorities, embrace digital convergence, and invest early in sustainable innovation will set the pace for the next decade.
Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.